Hey love, and welcome back to another video. I am Pauline, your virtual loctician, your virtual lock educator. So I am doing, this is pretty much an update for those of you who've been asking for this. So, okay, I'm gonna start with clients first. Okay, so if you are someone who's been looking to start your lock journey, I am opening up books for this summer for to be able to support people on their lock journey. Okay, so if you're looking to start your locks, whether with Microlocs, Sisterlocs, however you want to start them, if you're looking to start your locks this summer, I am happy to help. However, I will only be tag teaming. So most of you guys know my crew already. Tia, Kidma, Danny. So I'll be tag teaming for the summer. For those of you who are looking to start your locks and you want to start this summer. So if that's something you want to do, I'm gonna put my email in the description so you can email me, or even my booking link for you to schedule a consultation. Yeah, I'll put my booking link so you can schedule a consultation, whether it's virtual or in person, so we can get you on the books if you're looking to start your lock journey this summer. I'm only doing this for the summer for people who've been asking, when are you gonna open your books? Because I want to start my install. I want to start my locks. So keep in mind, if you start, whoever I tag team with, they'll be able to maintain your journey as well. So it's not like we're gonna just lock it and then we kick you out. No, we'll lock, and then whoever I tag team with will be maintaining your journey. If you are traveling, we can help you find somebody to maintain if you're coming from out of state. So it's really up to you on what you want to do, okay? Also, so if you already have locks but you need some repairs done, maybe you are out of your retie schedule, you have lots of locks, a lot of new growth, and haven't been able to get your hair retightened, this is the time to book as well. I'm only, doing this for the summer. If you have been without a retie for a long time and you need support and you want to come and get it done, that will also be a tag team effort as well. Okay, so that's the update for people who are looking to start and maintain and repair their locks in the summer. She's cleaning up, y'all. We're both done for the day. Oh, and to everybody watching, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
So this is Danny. She's in the room. This is her room. It's her lovely spot.
Lovely abode.
So she will be one of the individuals we'll be tag teaming with. Tia and Kidma, they're in the next room. They're not here right now. They're already done for the day. And then of course, y'all know my room. So this is where I was just recording. So in any of these rooms, this is where your installs will be taking place. Now, if you are a loctician, some of you guys have already been in my DMs emailing me about when's the next styling class, when is before I move on. Also for people, I'm thinking about doing a class this summer for people who want to be able to care for their locks, right? You want to know how to take care of your hair. You want to understand proper hair care. You want to understand how to care for your strands, how to care for your scalp, what products to use, what's the best thing to do. I'm going to be doing an in-person class. I think I really, so many people are struggling, and I want to be able to do an in-person class, and they'll be available virtually too for those who can't attend in person, but I'll be doing an in-person session where I'm going to be basically walking you through how to care for your strands, how to care for your scalp, how to take care of your hair, and so forth. So be on the lookout, okay? Also, okay? So locticians who want to grow in their business. I will be, Tia and I will be offering a repair class. We typically do this around summertime, right? I think. So this summer we'll be offering one in June and one in July. So once it's set up, I will send out the link. But we'll be doing 2 repair classes this summer. So if you're a loctician looking to enhance your repair skills, you want to be able to support your clients in that way. Repairs are a great way to help your clients along the journey. And repairs, people typically don't have repair issues or structural issues just because somebody has been doing a bad job. Sometimes it's because people hair go through seasons and things happen. Hair break off, hair fall off, there's shedding, there's this, there's that. And so if you want to learn how to properly support clients along their journey and you want to add repair under your umbrella of things, June and July is when we'll be doing those classes, okay? I also will be doing a styling class for those who really want to hone in on how to style their clients' hair with care. Ooh, that rhymes, okay? So if you're looking for that, I will be doing that as well. I don't have the dates for it, but probably most likely July, okay? So that's the updates for the this summer, and I will be doing some other classes as well, but I will post them. But I just wanted you guys to know what to look forward to this summer. And if you have any questions, if there's something you want to learn, if there's something you want to know, put it in the comments. Let's talk about it. Let me know what your needs are so I can better support you, okay? Other than that, that's all I have for you. And if you have detailed questions about your hair, don't forget I do have that YouTube membership that you can join. If you have, if you want just a one-time getting support kind of thing and you want to schedule a virtual consultation, you can do that as well. I am happy to support you along that journey. Links will be below somewhere in the description on booking a consultation, whether it's virtual or in person, and so forth, and my email will be listed as well so you guys can reach out. So hope I've clarified some things and answered some questions for those of you who have been reaching out about classes and so forth and installs, all of that, okay? So this summer, this is it, okay? So from June and July, I'm gonna be, moving. So moving and getting things done. So June and July is your window. After that, that's it. I can't promise nothing else. All right, well, if you have any questions, put them below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.